a great choice today with the 2020 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, heated steering wheel, trip computer, electronic stability control, fog lights, heated front seats, rear window defroster, compass, power windows, remote keyless entry, overhead console, panic alarm. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.